Ahead of the 2023, the delegation made up of His Excellency Ernest Bai Koroma, former President of Sierra Leone, Her Excellency Fatoumata Tambajang, former Vice President of the Gambia, and Dr Mohammed Ibn Chambers, former President of the ECOWAS Commission and former Special Representative of the United Nations Secretary General and Head of ECOWAS, had strategic engagements with key stakeholders from the 4th to the 6th December 2022. Having conducted this mission, the forum notes the following. We appreciate all stakeholders for their genuine interest in the political process and for welcoming us and granting us audience despite their busy schedule. We commend His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari, the Independent National Electoral Commission, and other stakeholders for the level of progress achieved in preparations for the forthcoming elections. In our engagements with various stakeholders, we were encouraged by their confidence in the electioneering process and the determination to work for free and fair elections. We are pleased with the willingness of the candidates and leaders of political parties we met to promote issues-based campaign, and we encourage them to continue to do so. We note that although some stakeholders expressed some concerns and misgivings, we were assured by the relevant authorities that all concerns will be adequately addressed ahead of the elections. We are optimistic that a secure and free environment and a level playing field will be guaranteed for all citizens and political actors, irrespective of political affiliations. The Independent Electoral Commission assured us that the permanent voters' cards for all registrants are ready, and the distribution at the local level will commence on Monday, 12th December 2022. We urge all registered recently to use the opportunity to take the initiative to collect their PVCs. We call on all Nigerians to exercise their rights to the civic participation, both before and during the coming elections, without fear, while also respecting the rights of others to do the same. Our region, West Africa, of late has experienced some reversals in democratic practice with unconstitutional change of government in some countries. At the heart of the instability within the sub-region is the issue of disputed elections and citizens' disaffection. The 2023 general elections in Nigeria is crucial, not just for Nigeria alone, but for West Africa and the African continent. They are the first of the three to be held next year. The successful conduct of peaceful, credible, inclusive, free and fair elections here will clearly set a good example for others to follow. This will not only send a message that democracy is here to stay in West Africa, but will also resuscitate hope at a time when the sub-region is plagued with various challenges. The West African Elders Forum will stay engaged and accompany the process before, during, and after the general elections until a smooth and peaceful transition is achieved. Thank you very much. Well, we are here to ensure that the process itself is above board transparent and inclusive. We believe that when you lay the basis for an inclusive election, a participatory election, an election in which everybody will be given enough space to say his or her bit, people will be willing to accept the outcome. The issues that they propagate, as what they stand for and how they will go about it, is left with the citizens to assess and make their judgment. But I think the important thing here is for us to have a level playing field, a secure environment, and all citizens should be given an opportunity to exercise their civic responsibilities.
Okay. Do you want a soft copy or hard copies of it? Okay. We can make both available.